Thank you so much for the opportunity. Let's talk about the findings and discussion. We have discovered that mostly the EFL learners are facing the same challenges in both synchronous and also the asynchronous online learning. Not to mention that I myself also have experienced the same challenges during my learning process. Now let's break it down to the first main challenge that often occurs in synchronous online learning. Internet connection issue is the prominent problem that can interrupt the learner's participation in synchronous classes. And this finding is indicated with a percentage number 74.50% in our research. On the other hand, we discovered that asynchronous classes offer more challenges to the students, to the learners. For instance, the respondents tend to procrastinate when there are no set class times, with the percentage indicator 75%. The second most apparent challenge in asynchronous classes is the respondents find it very difficult to ask questions or to get feedback, and with the percentage indicators is 75% also. With all the challenges they have faced, the respondents overcome that with some solutions. In synchronous classes, they mainly use headphones and search for quiet space to reduce distractions, with the percentage number 75%. Also, the respondents communicate the missed lesson with the teacher or their peer to overcome the internet issues, with the percentage indicator 75%. And lastly, the respondents usually take notes during the live sessions to help remember the material, with the percentage indicator 75%. While asynchronous mode, they usually take breaks to stay focused, stay motivated, and this is done to avoid burnout while studying, with the percentage indicator 75%. So in our research, we use Likert scale to indicate every responses. For example, the number 1 is representing the feeling of strongly disagree. The number 2 representing disagreement. The 3 indicates neutral, 4 agree, and the 5 strongly agree. And as we all can see here, the challenges in synchronous online learning, they often feel rushed, feel anxious or pressured, and the internet connection issues that they face, and noise or distractions, they find it difficult to focus. They all have the average number that is 4. That means they agree. They agree to the statement, which is indicating they actually experiencing those challenges in synchronous online learning. And the next one, solutions in synchronous online learning. They review recorded sessions, take notes actively, communicate with teacher or peers, and they averagely get 4 as their responses. And the next one, challenges in asynchronous online learning. They find it hard to ask questions, tend to procrastinate, feel isolated, and many more. And for each of them, they mostly get 4 for their as the response for it. The last one, solutions in asynchronous online learning. They usually take breaks to stay focused and avoid burnout, and reach out to the instructor and join online discussion, set specific goals. And also in this section, the mostly appeared number is 4, which means they all agree that the solutions are the right one to overcome the challenges that might appear in asynchronous online learning.